This is the other elevator at I think the art building at Daemen College in Snyder, New York. Another beautiful antique Otis. I think that wall was updated. I think let's go to 3. The close button looks like that. Oh, it has the original indicator. This is just awesome. Look at these fixtures. Just amazing. Let's get out here and look at the call button. Let's get back in. B. There's an ADA compliant phone. Otis logo, capacity 2,000 pounds. Wonder if it classic levels. I'm not really sure. I think it does. Let's get a cab view of this amazing elevator. This one is carpeted. I know Diesel Juicy is gonna love this elevator. Let's get out. Press that button. That rotodial indicator is broken. Let's watch it close up. Over there is some Purell hand sanitizer, and that's it.